Okay guys, as you can see we have all these scripts. What's up people and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here or let me just show you. So open your profile and just copy your link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that. Press continue guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select on button and select script that you want. So I will select this scripts. Let me click continue guys, and let's see the next step. So if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I recover more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, AP connected. Just scroll down and as you can see we have activation key. So just click I'm not robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher when the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Underdog Fantasy. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. We still have this message. So thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account guys. I'm so excited to test this. So we have a key. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see guys. Okay, let me play 99 game in the forest. Okay guys, and guys, as you can see we have this message: thank you for using Delta Executor. So let me click here and we can search the scripts. So let me enter 99. Okay guys, as you can see we have all these scripts. So just select execute, and as you can see it's working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.